wish I had $1 every time somebody told me कि bro your products are cute पर वेबसाइट नहीं है क्या आपकी? अरे भाई मैं कैसे बताऊँ, वेबसाइट बनाना, मेंटेन करना एंड उसको सब कुछ मैनेज करना is too expensive for a small business owner who is making very very less profit from the handcrafted goods I source, design and sell. इसमें मैं फाउंडर सैलरी भी नहीं इंक्लूड करती एंड शॉपिफाई इज टू एक्सपेंसिव, अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर टू एक्सपेंसिव till I found this beautiful platform called host.co.in, wherein I understood that I can create a website at just 79 rupees. Host.co.in offers free domain and SSL, and apart from that, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, which is a total comfort to me as I am a small business owner. And अगर 30 दिन में मैं समझती हूँ कि भाई this does not work out for me, I can claim a money back. That's how easy it is. You can literally buy it and renew it at the same price, and there are no hidden renewal charges, which is a gold mine. ऐसा नहीं होता है usually hosting में. And by the way, if you're a designer or someone in the creative field and आप सोच रहे हो कि भाई portfolio बनाना कितना महंगा है, कौन सी website पे बनाऊँ, कैसे बनाऊँ, क्या बनाऊँ, then host.co.in is your answer, guys. You can create your portfolio starting at just 79 rupees, which is dirt cheap. Stop procrastinating and start creating now.